now request Professor Dr. Kanchan Khare to address the gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Saili. I'm Professor Kanchan Khare. I represent Symbiosis Institute of Technology, which is a constituent of Symbiosis International University. Symbiosis International University is a brand and a well-known brand, but possibly many of you are not very much aware that we have engineering institute which caters degree, undergraduate degree, postgraduate degree, and even doctoral research opportunities to various disciplines in engineering. We in Symbiosis believe that the training to engineers would be incomplete if at all we don't join hands with industry, because we the teachers generally would talk about the syllabi, contents, and which are a static part of the teaching learning process. The dynamic part, that is the recent developments which are happening, should be definitely important for building the student's career, and therefore we strongly connect with various industries, and therefore our students are industry ready. Possibly on the dais, Mr. Ajit Bhate is there, with whom also we have a very strong connect, and the training and placement activity is strengthened by their company. Similarly, with Ferrocement Society, we have a long association. We started this association by arranging the hands-on training sessions for our undergraduate students, which the students enjoyed a lot. And then we thought that we should start association to the further level by developing some training testing facilities in Symbiosis Institute of Technology. Possibly the technical discussions would be ongoing, and the start of that particular event would be today's participation in this particular convention. So on behalf of my students, faculty, institute and university, I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, the online participants who have joined, and also the invitees for this particular convention. Thank you all, and let's hope that the deliberations in these 2 days would be of immense help to us to walk in the direction of some intense use of this particular technology in coming few years. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Use Ferrocement.